Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add videos to HubSpot content. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the marketing tools and features. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Marketing. This will expand a submenu with various marketing options available in HubSpot. From that submenu, click on Emails. This takes you to the email management section where you can create and edit all your email campaigns. Now you'll see a list of your existing emails. Go ahead and click on the email where you want to add a video. This will open up the email editor where you can modify the content and layout of your message. Adding videos to emails is a powerful way to increase engagement and make your content more dynamic. Once the email editor opens, look at the left side panel where you'll find different content modules. Scroll through the options until you find the one labeled video. This is the module that allows you to insert video content directly into your email. Click and drag this video module into your email template wherever you want the video to appear. You can position it between text blocks, images, or any other content elements. After you drop the video module into your email, you'll see two options appear: Embed or HubSpot Video. The embed option allows you to insert videos from external platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, while HubSpot Video lets you use videos uploaded directly to your HubSpot account. For this tutorial, let's stick with embed since it's a common choice for adding videos from popular platforms. With embed selected, you'll see a field where you can input a video URL. Go ahead and paste the URL of the video you want to include. For example, if you want to add a YouTube video, just copy the link from YouTube and paste it into this field. Once you paste the URL, the video preview will appear automatically, showing you exactly how it will look in your email. Now you have some customization options to make the video fit perfectly in your email design. You can adjust the width and height of the video player to match your email layout. Simply modify the dimensions in the provided fields until the video looks the way you want it. This gives you full control over how the video integrates with the rest of your content. You also have the option to upload a custom thumbnail for your video. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates, so consider uploading an eye-catching image that represents your video content well. This thumbnail is what recipients will see before they click to play the video. Additionally, there's a checkbox option that says show as maximum width on mobile devices. If you check this box, the video will automatically scale to full width when viewed on mobile devices, ensuring your video looks great regardless of what device your recipients are using. This is particularly important since many people check emails on their phones. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your HubSpot email content with all the customization options you need to make it look professional and engaging. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.